Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jira for Agile project management, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Jira for Agile project management, begin by visiting the Atlassian website. Click on the Try for Free button to start the Jira software trial. You'll be prompted to create an Atlassian account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required details, including your email address and a password. Once your account is set up, confirm your email address via the link sent to your inbox. After verification, sign in to your Atlassian account. Next, select Jira software from the available products. Choose the appropriate project type for Agile management, either Scrum or Kanban. You'll then be directed to an initial setup screen. Provide a name for your project and select any additional configurations you prefer. Once the project setup is complete, click on the Create Board option. You can choose between creating a Scrum board or a Kanban board based on your needs. If you selected Scrum, set up your backlog with user stories and tasks. For Kanban, begin by creating a board with appropriate columns representing your workflow. Now, invite your team members by navigating to project settings and selecting users and roles. Add their email addresses to provide them access to the project. Each team member will receive an invitation to join the project. After inviting your team, it's essential to tweak your workflow if needed. Go to the project settings and select Workflow to make any necessary adjustments. You can customize statuses, transitions, and add any new steps that reflect your team's process. Once your workflow is configured, it's time to start planning sprints or managing your Kanban flow. For Scrum teams, create your first sprint by selecting sprints from the backlog screen. Set the start date, duration, and objective for the sprint. Monitor progress through the sprint board, adjusting tasks as needed. For Kanban, focus on maintaining a steady flow, ensuring no column exceeds the maximum limit. Utilize Jira's reporting tools to track your project's progress through burndown charts and velocity reports. Make adjustments based on these insights to optimize team performance. In summary, activating Jira for Agile project management involves creating an account, setting up a project, customizing your workflow, inviting team members, and managing your tasks effectively. With these steps, you'll have a fully functional Jira environment tailored for Agile methodologies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.